UNM.com sells just about everything under the sun. UNM graduate students are now using the mega site to their own advantage, doing cancer research for just pennies. News 13's Alex Tomlin explains.
Cloud computing.
Heard of it? Probably not. Roy Keyes is somewhat of an expert. About a year ago, the UNM physics grad student heard medical doctors discussing a huge problem for them. Simply put, they couldn't do calculations needed to target cancerous tumors cell by cell in the body with treatment.
Shoot the radiation in the best way to avoid other organs while delivering the right amount of dose.
Why can't they? Well, the calculations have to be done on supercomputers because of how complex they are.
Something like $150,000 worth of computers.
That's without the cost of software, upgrades, or even power to run the machines. Most places can't afford that kind of equipment, and a lot of those computers can take about a week to do the calculations anyhow. By using cloud computing, Keyes has cut that down to
less than, say, 15 minutes.
Here's how. Keyes figured out that mega sites like Amazon rent out computer power.
So you just pay by the hour.
At a cost of just 10 cents. Keyes says the quick results and cheap technology are unlike anything out there.
It's a very big change. We're hoping that the results of our research will allow clinicians and researchers to do things that they have not even imagined before.
Keyes just gave a presentation on how the research and technology works in Amsterdam and will be headed to Philadelphia next week.
To us, it makes sense. And I think that a few other people at this point are starting to see that it makes sense too.
Alex Tomlin, KRQE News 13.
This cloud computing process won't be ready for everyday use, though, for a couple more years because the grad students need to get a medical license for their technique.